What is up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of Try It with Tim. And today we have a very special new piece of tech to unbox and give you first impressions on. My fiance Katie ended up buying me a MAVIC Air 2 for our anniversary, and I think she made a really good choice. I was looking between the MAVIC Air 2 and the MAVIC Pro. Since I take a lot of my tech on my motorcycle, I always need something that's going to be more lightweight and compact, but still have great quality, and I feel like the MAVIC Air 2 was a great choice. So I'm really happy with this gift and excited to start incorporating it into some videos. So I've had some experience in the past with drones, so let me show you a couple drones that I used to fly. This is the Chroma 4K by Unique. It was a great drone. However, as you can see, it's just way too big, pretty much like a small aircraft. You basically need like a small runway to take off and land. Trying to carry this on the motorcycle was just super inconvenient, and it's definitely not very stealth, and it's very conspicuous. So when you're out flying, you know, I don't like to be very obvious and get a lot of attention, and this thing would always bring lots of attention. And it was a great drone, but just way too big. The other drone that I had was the original MAVIC Pro. As you can see here, MAVIC Pro. So I got this drone refurbished, and it did work for a little bit, but then I started running into a lot of issues with the camera, not stabilizing, and you know, I'd go on trips and get all this great footage, and you know, I'd be relying on this drone footage, and then I'd find out that, you know, the footage wasn't good. There was like a lot of shaking, and that's because I got this drone pretty much refurbished, and yeah, it just gave me a lot of issues. So with these two drones, one being way too big and this one just not working properly all the time, I just kind of gave up on drone footage. I just started making videos without them, but I'm really excited to have a brand new drone and something that's not gonna have issues, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to the videos to help give you guys some perspective into the areas that I'm in and add some more depth and creativity to these videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see, how are we gonna do this? Okay. Whoosh. Nice. Check that out. Love the packaging. So what I love already is that everything comes in this little bag. So what I forgot to mention was that this is the Fly More combo, and it comes with, let's see what it comes with. It comes with 3 flight batteries, three pairs of propellers, charging hub for all your batteries, and all kinds of cool stuff, and ND filters and chargers, all that good stuff. So all that fits into here, and this is really compact, so I can just throw this in my motorcycle bag or take it along with me. And yeah, the quality of this bag is very nice, and I'm already like the way it's packaged. So let's take a look inside. Yes, that fresh smell of new electronics, gotta love it. But here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and get the original MAVIC Pro and give you a little size comparison. MAVIC Pro, DJI MAVIC Air 2 look very similar, and the sizes, you know, the MAVIC Air is a little bit smaller than the original Pro. The Air is just a little bit lighter. Here's the new controller. A lot of people think that it's big, but I've seen a lot of reviews and people seem to really like this a lot compared to the old controller. Your phone is going to sit up here, so you're going to have your screen on top. This is the original controller. It was more like this, where this opened up like you had your antennas, and your phone would go down here. And there's always, the phone never felt really super secure in this one, so I never thought this was like a really good controller. I had to take the phone case off to fit it in here. The great thing about the new controller is you can put any size phone in here, and you could leave your phone case on without having to take it off and connect it. And you know, that just makes things a lot easier and more convenient when you're just on the go, running and gunning, trying to shoot. So yeah, first impressions of the controller and the drone itself, very nice. So we have this little package here, probably like instructions. Okay, we have propellers. Got your instructions, more propellers. Okay, so inside the bag we have our little, it's like a panel to put your batteries. And I'm guessing this box here is all of the batteries and wires. So we have charging cable, so I'll lay all this out nicely. And battery, and I can tell right away that this battery is a lot smaller than the Pro battery. Let's see. So this is the battery of the new one. And this is the battery of the Pro. So as you can see, way smaller. Just makes packing a lot easier. So that looks like everything, guys. You get 3 batteries, which is great. I would definitely recommend getting the Fly More pack. I think that's a lot of value for your money. I think batteries are over $100 just by themselves, and you get 3 of them. So definitely look into the Fly More pack if you're looking for a drone. And I don't have any experience with the Mavic Air 2 yet, so we're gonna go charge this up, take it on its first flight, and give you some first impressions. I also put some videos up in the intro of this video so you can see the type of shots that we're getting. And after I play around with it for a few weeks or however long it takes to get a good handle on it and give you a good review, we'll go ahead and do a review video. We're gonna go get this all ready, then take it out for its first flight. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace. All right, so we're here at 1,000 Steps Beach. We decided to come out today and test out the new drone and see what kind of footage we get. So it's pretty easy to set up. All I had to do was charge the batteries, download the DJI Fly app. You're pretty much set to go. Put on your propellers, screw in your joysticks, and that's about it. So we'll go ahead and give it a try and give you my first impressions on this drone. And when flying, I like to take off on a hard surface. I don't like to take off from the sand. You don't want any sand getting into your drone. So far, so good. All right. Let's roll. Alright guys, well that was a lot of fun and got a lot of flight time out of one battery. It was up there for about 30 minutes. Super easy to fly. Really happy with it. So first impressions, very easy, very user-friendly. Love the new controller setup, and there's a lot of neat features on the controller and on the display that make flying a lot easier, which I'll get into in future videos when I do a more in-depth review. But I had a lot of fun playing with this today. Let me know what you guys think of the footage. If you guys have any questions below, feel free to ask. But I was gonna chill here at the beach for a little bit and then head home. So thank you guys for joining another episode. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.